Today is a historical moment for students of our institution, the future of aviation within the greater Chicagoland area, and workforce innovation. We are deeply honored to welcome Senator Dick Durbin and Representative Sean Casten to our campus as we celebrate life-changing $4 million investment through the Department of Education.
College of DuPage is not only the largest, but it's one of the most diverse in terms of offering opportunities. And a good university, a good college is going to try to look over the horizon of what's coming. Well, we can see drones coming, we can see them in the air, and we know that they are becoming pervasive.
Not just that you need the technical talent to do that, but you need people who've got the kind of well-rounded education to grapple with some of the ethics issues that come with these new technologies. And so we are extremely fortunate to have an institution like COD that's providing that.
The question is, who is going to train the people to use the drones to make sure that they're professionals and they know the best and the most current technology? Now we know one of those places will be right here at the College of DuPage.